Let's get to know some file formats. When and where specific formats are used, the most common ones, and what's best for getting that crisp Instagram, YouTube, TikTok upload. A file format is the extension at the end of the file name. The most common video and audio formats you will see whilst working on edits are MXF, MP4, MP3, OMF, and WAV. Each format has its own purpose and best use case. Let's break them down. For video formats, MP4, the most widely used format for online content. It's great for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok because it balances quality and file size pretty well. MXF, which stands for Material Exchange Format, is very common in professional broadcast and high-end production workflows, used by TV networks and film studios because it holds high-quality video and metadata. This is the one that I have used most of my professional career whilst working for broadcasters. It's always MXF, whilst if you want to share a preview file to your team leader or your colleague, then we usually use MP4 files because it's quick and it's smaller in size. Audio formats, MP3, the go-to format for compressed audio. Perfect for music streaming and sharing because it keeps file sizes small, just like the MP4 in video formats. WAV, high quality, uncompressed audio, often used in professional editing and recording studios. Best when you need the highest fidelity. So when you work with MXF video files, then usually working with WAV files will respect the video quality and the standard. OMF files in audio stands for Open Media Framework. This is used in professional audio post-production. It helps transfer multi-track audio files between editing software like Pro Tools and Premiere Pro. One scenario might be that you have an audio engineer or a mixer, and that person is going to mix your video file and your edit. That person will then ask for an OMF file, which you can export like this. You go to File, Export OMF, hit Save, and share this with your audio engineer. Now, the best formats for social media. If you're uploading to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, stick to MP4 for video and MP3 or WAV for audio if needed. These formats ensure your content looks and sounds great while keeping file sizes manageable. Now that you know the basics, you can pick the right format for your project and make your edits shine. Congratulations! You have now passed course 2. I want you to try these lessons on your own projects. Create the templates, play around with the video files and the formats. Have a little read about them online if you want to learn more in depth about video files and audio files, where they work and how they work. And of course, reach out to me if you have any questions or if you just want a tip for something you're struggling with. When you feel ready to learn more and to take the next step onto becoming a producer or creating videos and to invest more time in your future, then please let's get started with course 3.